baddies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, as requested, I recorded the process of me doing my prom nails. Now if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Hey baddie, so throughout today's video I'm going to guide you guys on the process of me doing my prom nails. So in this first step you see me using my cuticle pusher and I'm going to gently push back the cuticles. Next I'm going to go on with one of my cuticle bits and I'm going to remove the excess dead skin off my cuticles. And again, you want to do this step very lightly because you want to make sure that you don't dent your nail bed. I'm going to go on with a medium sanding bit and I'm going to remove the shine off all of my nails. Next, I'm going to use my Kiss nail glue to apply my nail tips, and you want to make sure that you're applying the nail tips towards the edge of your nail plate and you don't want to put it in the middle because that's how you damage your nails. Here I am using my nail cutter to cut my nails to my desired length. Now once I feel like I'm pretty satisfied with my nail length, I'm going to go in with my 100 grit, I believe, pen and nail file, and I'm going to shape my nail tips. For this step, I'll make sure to go underneath my nail to kind of just sharpen the shape, and then I go from sidewall to sidewall. Next step, I'm going to go back in with my medium sanding bit and I'm going to blend out the tips. Now you want to use, throughout this whole nail prep, you want to make sure that you keep your drill on a low speed because you don't want to, again, dent your nails or damage your nails, and you just want to go across the nail tip lightly and blend out the nail. No, this video is not sponsored, but I am using Mia Secrets products. I absolutely love Mia Secrets acrylic nail powders, and I feel like they pair best with the primer and the nail dehydrator that I use. It just gives a smooth application. So that's the products I'm going to be using for this video. In this next clip, I'm going to show you guys my acrylic application in real time on my pinky finger. I wasn't able to record me doing it on the rest of my fingers because I didn't want the video to be too long. I personally wasn't a huge fan about how this specific application came out because it was really hard for me to see with the camera in the way and me also having to see how exactly I was applying the bead. But I start off with a medium bead and I apply it directly to where the nail tip of my nail is, and I kind of just blend it down. You also want to make sure that you have a light hand. You don't want to have a heavy hand while doing this, and you don't really want to do so much of dragging motions like I'm doing here, but I think the acrylic was starting to dry up a little bit on me. But you also want to make sure that you're going from sidewall to sidewall to make sure that you maintain that sharp shape. My camera was giving me issues, you guys, so it cut off, but here's me applying my second bead to the middle of my nail plate, and I'm going to kind of build an apex to give my nail strength. Also want to make sure that you're looking at your nails from different angles especially the sides, so that you can see where you need to apply more acrylic at. Oh my gosh, you guys, please do not mind my beat up acrylic brush, okay? Of course I do not use these on my clients, but when I'm doing my nails on my own, I do use this nail brush. Here are my nails shaped and filed, and here is a little side profile of my nails so you guys can see my apex. Particular design, I'm going to go in with my Gloss It top coat by Not Polish, my favorite one, and I'm just going to outline the French tip. I first did it in white polish, and then I'm going in with my top coat and I'm going to outline it so that I can apply my glitter to the nail tip. Using this tool I got from Amazon. I'm going to be sure to link all the products I use in this video in the description box below, but this is just to catch all the excess glitter so that you're not, wasting any nail products. And I absolutely love this product, by the way. So once you apply the glitter to your nail, you want to just cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds and then dust off the excess glitter. I went ahead and did that process to my thumb and my pinky off camera. Now for the ring finger, I'm going to do a swirl design. So I'm going to first outline it in white polish, and then I'm going to go in with my Gloss It top coat, make sure to cover the nail, and then specifically re-outline it where the white lines are, and then cover it with glitter. If that sounds too complicated for you, because that just did for me, don't worry, I'm going to show you guys in a later clip, so just keep watching. Next, I'm going to go in with my Beetles Rhinestone glue, the best glue for applying diamonds and pixie crystals like I'm about to do on the snail. But this glue is really good just to make sure that your gems don't fall off. So I'm going to go in with that. Here I am moving around some of the crystals on my nail to make sure that it keeps the same shape. And I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Finally, here is the final product. I absolutely love how my prom nails came out, you guys. Here's a TikTok I made of my nails, but let me know what you guys think of this nail design. I know it was pretty simple. My dress was already a lot. My dress was navy blue and silver, by the way, and it was already a lot, so I didn't want to do too much with my nails. Loved how it came out, and hopefully you guys love the process of me doing it as well as the design of the nails. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Bye, baddies. See you in the next video.